Andrea, how are you feeling?
I'm very excited and I cannot wait to see what you've done with all the footage we've filmed. I know it's been um, not a long process at all, really, but I'm just very excited to see.
Good. We're excited for you to see it. Are you ready?
Yes.
Good.
Okay, so just kind of to recap, for your video business card, we really just wanted to capture your essence, capture exactly what it is you do and how you do it, why you're the best woman for the job, to help your clients and stuff. So yeah, if you're ready, you can click the link.
You sure? Really?
You got to be sure.
Okay, I'm sure. I'm just so excited. All right, I'm gonna click it now. Oh, okay. Transform your systems and you'll transform your life. My name is Andrea Young and I'm an automation expert for creative business owners. I went to film school, I didn't go to business school, business management, nothing like that. I was always interested in doing creative things, whether it was graphic designs or logos or making websites for people. When I was doing logos and business cards and that sort of thing, I was getting really overwhelmed with managing all the paperwork and projects and assignments and tasks I had to complete for each client. For me, implementing automation to my own small business meant that I needed to really write down every possible scenario that my client could go through and the path that I personally wanted them to take in working with me. I believe that working with you should be a joy, it should be a pleasure, it shouldn't be a headache. And if you're bogged down with the paperwork and other distractions, you're not showing up for your client in the best way that you can. So I offer automation strategy and implementation for creative small businesses. Usually when a new client approaches me, we'll talk about how they currently do business, and that's from A to Z. I learn your pain points and things that have been working for you so far, and I make suggestions on how to improve those. So whether those processes are written on notebooks or sheets of paper, or it's in your head, or you already have a CRM, a client relation management software in place, I can definitely work with whatever you have available right now in order to expand your business in the best way possible. From there, I use Dubsado to integrate what you currently have or integrate what we've discussed into Dubsado so that everything's linking and working properly so that it essentially can run itself. After I set up your Dubsado account, we'll schedule a video walkthrough where I'll guide you through everything that I've done in your Dubsado account. I know how much time I'm gonna save you. Hey guys, I have a really quick message for today, and that's to work smarter and not harder. So I'm here in the beautiful Avalon today, just enjoying the day because I don't have to be stuck behind my desk at home or in an office. I can literally go anywhere because my business is automated, and I hope that I can do and achieve the same thing for your business. If you're excited to automate your business so that you can spend more time with your family or grow your current business or even explore new business ventures, fill out the form and we'll be in touch.
Mama Nickums, you're going in the car bye when you're yelling at me. Yes.
Can I watch it again? Wait. Oh my gosh. I love it. What the heck? It's so good.
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 It's all you.
I know. You got so many shots in there. I didn't imagine it could be that good, you know?
Yeah. That's good.
Oh my gosh, I can't wait to use it.
We're so happy to hear that. Do you feel like it shares the experience of working with you and it shows that experience? Unlike
It does. Yeah, it does. And I think from what I know about me, I'm very visually oriented, so I was kind of looking at it visually, but I was still I need to go back and listen to it again to hear what I'm saying. But the visuals were great, and it's even with I can imagine with the audio not on, someone would want to turn the audio on so they can hear it, because that's a lot of what the videos are doing nowadays. But yeah, so that's the thing. I was looking at it visually. I wasn't even paying attention to what I was saying. I was just whatever. I'm looking at it, But I'm sure it, that part made sense too. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, we're so excited. We're glad you like it. And yeah, now it's time to implement.
That's right. We're gonna get it out there, get it online, and we're gonna merge the experience of working with you into the digital reality.
Cool. I can't wait.
Yeah. Sweet. Any other comments or anything you'd like to say?
Oh, no, I just want to like watch it over and over again.
Yeah.
All right, bye. No, I'm kidding.
We'll schedule something soon so we can start talking about specifically the strategy for your first funnel that we're so excited to for your VBC to have a place to live, basically.
Right.
So yeah, we'll get that scheduled and go from there.
Yay.
Sweet.
I can't wait.
All right, Andrea.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Like, I'm really happy with the work you've done for me, and I can only imagine how it's going to benefit my brand and how this could benefit other people, especially if they don't understand the power of video and the power behind a good story. So thank you.
We love hearing it. Your story's a great one. All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Watch it
All right.
again.
You don't
Bye.